Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. A few days back, I have uploaded a video about NVIDIA LocateAnything, a 3 billion model parameter, very fast, vision-based grounding and box decoding model, basically useful for object detection and OCR. I have explained a very useful case of that model is that you can use the model in order to create your object detection dataset, and many people were asking me in the comment section about showing the same thing, that how to use this LocateAnything-3 billion model parameter in order to create your object detection dataset. So I have created a small Python based project in order to demonstrate this object detection dataset creation functionality using LocateAnything. So this Python project has this annotation config.example.json file. This JSON file contains a couple of information: the input path of the images, the format of the model that you want to train. In my case, this is YOLO. At this point, it supports YOLO, COCO, VOC, CSV or JSON format. Then the output directory of the annotations and output directory for the dataset creations. Next, there is a task which is obviously detection. Then the classes that the dataset holds the images of. In my case, it is ambulance, bus, car, motorcycle, truck. That can be different. Now here in the down section, this is all about the model. You don't have to change anything here except the temperature, because since this is a large language model, vision based large language model, it has a temperature parameter. So if you want your model to more generative, you can increase it up to 1. But if you want it to stick to the truth, then move the number towards 0. Then there is this no preview, no dataset, audit samples and audit seeds. So these 4 parameters are basically in order to control the behavior of the code. If you don't want to create dataset, make it true. If you don't want to generate some preview images, make it true as well. And this audit samples and audit seeds, these two are used to create some images, so that you can just for verification, you can see those images and see that the object detection task was successful. So what you need to do is that you need to copy the content of this annotation _config.example.json file and create a new file for your use case. So in my case, the images are in this images folder. I want to generate the data set for YOLO model, and these are my output and dataset directory. Here are my classes. I want to just reduce the temperature a bit so that the model stick to the facts, and I just want 5 samples randomly selected. Now once I do this, I'll go to my terminal. Let me clear the screen, and in order to run the application, I'll say uv run main.py --config, and I'll provide the configuration JSON file. Let me run this, and meanwhile it is running, I would like to show you this readme file. Here it explains everything, how to run the file and what are the different flags with which you can run this application. Now you can see how fast this works, how fast it is reading the file and generating annotations for that file based on the classes that you have provided here. So once the annotation task is completed, I'll resume the video. Okay, so the process is now finished and you can see all the logs here. About like 1200 images were analyzed and dataset is now created. I would go to Visual Studio Code. Here I'll show you we have annotations folder which has labels, then it has preview for test, train and valid folder. In case you don't have test, train and valid folder, just images inside the images folder, then this would work as well. And here are some audit samples. So if I click here, you'll see randomly selected images and annotations are marked over it. So then if I go here under dataset, we have complete dataset in order to train a YOLO model. For example, if I go to test folder, we have images and labels, and each label file under the labels folder contains a txt file, and it has the class name and the x, y, w and h in order to train a YOLO model. So now what you can do is that take this dataset folder anywhere and train a model, YOLO based model. And I'm coming up with a small tutorial as well on the same, where you have this dataset folder, you can train a new model out of this. So I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and now you are able to understand how you can annotate millions of images very fast using this LocateAnything 3 billion parameter model. Finally, this is it from my side of this part of the video. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you watching till the end. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.